how to see how many sales an item has on Roblox. So simply go to the Roblox catalog and select the item in which you want to find out about, and then you want to get the item ID, which is this number here, which is after the catalog and before the name. So copy this number and then paste it into this URL. I will put the link in the description, so you just have to copy and paste it into the URL bar. So paste in that link and then paste in the number, and here you will get how many sales the item has, which is right here. So we can see that the bear mask has over 1 million sales. It has 1,407,000 sales. So if that was a bit confusing, we'll do it one more time with a different item just so you can see how this is done. So let's go back over to Roblox. Let's pick a different item. In this case, we're going to pick the propeller top hat. So we get the number in the URL bar and then we put it into this link after the asset ID. The link is in the description, and we can see that the propeller top hat has 55 sales at this moment in time. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, be sure to leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and click the link in the description to subscribe to my Roblox channel. I will start uploading at 1,000 subscribers.